Welcome to your new class, Mont Senior. I am your new teacher, Ms. Fazal. Before starting my lecture, I want to know that how are you all of you? I hope by the grace of God, all of you will be fine. Do you know children, what is the date today? Today is 12th June 2020. What is the date today? 12th June 2020. And what is the day today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Children, do you know how's the weather today? Today is very hot day. Today is very hot day. So you have to use some cold things and don't go outside. Just stay at home. Now let's start our topic. Today our topic is beginning sound. And how to write the beginning sound of all these things. Let's start our work. Children, can you tell me that what is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. And what is the beginning sound of apple? A. Apple. And how can we write the A? We will write the A like this. A apple. And children, what is this? This is a cup. Cup. What is this? Cup. And what is the beginning sound of cup? And how can we write it? We write cup like this. This is cup. Cup. And what is this, children? This is an egg. Egg. And how can we write it? We write egg like this. Yes, this is egg. Egg. What is this, children? This is a glass. Glass. What is the beginning sound of glass? Glass. And we write G like this. Glass. What is this, children? This is an egg pot. Egg pot. What is the beginning sound of egg? Ink. Let's see here. What is this, children? This is a kite. Kite. And we write like this. Kite. What is this, children? This is a mango. Mango. And what is the beginning sound of mango. We write like this. Mango. And what is this, children? This is an octopus. What is this? Octopus. Octopus. And how can we write like this? Very good. Octopus. Do you know, children, what is this? This is a leaf. Leaf. And what is the beginning sound of leaf? L. And we write L like this. Yes. Leaf. This is the sun. What is the beginning sound of sun? S. S. Yes, and we write s like this. Sun. And what is this, children? This is an umbrella. A umbrella. And how can we write the a? Yes, we write a like this. And this is watch. Watch. And we write like this. Watch. And the last one is yacht. What is this? Yacht. And how can we write the yacht? What is the beginning sound of yacht? Yacht. And we write like this.